Hi guys, welcome back to Top Car Detailing. Well, we've got a brand new Ford Mustang in for a Maxton design rear spoiler fitted to the boot lid. So we'll be taking a look at this in a minute. Obviously once you're fitting this as well, you have to degrease the area, that type of thing. We want to make sure everything is perfectly clean on this area here. This is what we're going to be fitting shortly. Also, you can see the tape on the back of this, and we've got a special bonding agent too that's got to actually go onto this part here before we put this on. Right snug here at the back as well. So we've got to make sure we've got enough gap here. Right, so we've married that up to there and the other side, so then we've got an exact point of contact, so we know exactly we're not going to come over this line here and same there, so that's equal distance on both corners. So I've got the tape round now here, and that gives me a perfect line to go to. You know the Maxton badge that was in the middle there? Customer asked me to remove that, so I done that as well, and clean that area up too, so everything is absolutely perfect. As you can see now, certainly sets it off at the back, so that's another job done. Just a short video, that one, on fitting the rear boot spoiler on a brand new 25 plate Ford Mustang here at Top Car Detailing. If you'd like any further information on any of our car detailing services or body kit installations for instance, check out my website at www.topcardetailing.co.uk or give me a ring personally where I can give you the right advice moving forward. And yeah, I'll have to go now, and I shall be back with more fantastic cars. Until next time, catch you later.